Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss a unique example by using modified Euler's method to obtain a numerical solution of y of 20.2, where the initial values are given. Okay. Again, very first, what we do, we take the values from the given data. What is the value? X naught is equal to given. So y of x naught equal to 5 means x naught is equal to 20. Okay. Y naught is equal to 5. H is equal to given, that is 0.2. And f of x comma y is equal to means dy by dx, what it is given, this dy by dx will be taken as this. So that is logarithm of x by y. Logarithm of x by y. Therefore, what next? Let us consider the value of the function with initial values x naught and y naught. That gives logarithm to the base 10 of x by y means x naught by y naught. X naught by y naught. Therefore, which is equal to logarithm to the base 10 of x naught. The value of x naught is 20 divided by y naught is 5. So, which is nothing but logarithm to the base 10 of 1 4 za. So, it is log 4. If you calculate through Calc, this is 0.6021. Fine. 0.6021. Then again let us take x1. x1 is nothing but x naught plus h. x naught plus h. What it is? X naught is 20 plus h is 0.2. So which becomes 20.2, that is x1. Means we are going to calculate the value of y1. y1 in the sense y of 20.2. This is our task. Fine. So let us start calculation with Euler's formula. What it says? By Euler's formula, which says initial value of y is equal to y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. X naught comma y naught, which is equal to y naught is 5 plus h is 0.2, that into the functional value f of x naught comma y naught, which is nothing but 0.6021. Calculate this through Calc. If you calculate this through Calc, then this will be equal to 5.1204. Okay. So this is the predicted value, means our answer will be in the neighborhood of this. Then by modified Euler's formula, which gives first approximation to y1 is equal to y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma initial value of y1. Okay. Solve this carefully so that it can be utilized as a reference step. Therefore, initial value for y1 is equal to y naught is equal to 5 plus h is 0.2 divided by 2 into f of x naught comma y naught. F of x naught comma y naught is what? F of x naught comma y naught. That result is this 0.6021 plus f of x1 comma initial value of y1, that is nothing but logarithm to the base 10 of x1 divided by y1, but which kind of y1? Initial value of y1. Clear? Therefore, now let us substitute the values. Then first value of y1 is equal to 5 plus, this is 0.1 into 0.6021 plus logarithm to the base 10 of x1. What is x1? x1 is equal to 20.2 divided by initial value of y1, that is 5.1204. So if we calculate this by using Calc, then this will be equal to something 5.1198. 5.1198. Okay. Then second approximation. Second approximation of y1 is equal to 5 plus, I'll be using this same result, this as a reference rate. Okay, here where y1 initial value of y1 is there, only this part will be replaced by new value. Okay, so that is 0.1 into 0.6021 plus logarithm to the base 10 of 20.2 divided by this 5.1204 will be replaced by new value, that is 5.1198. So that is equal to 5.1198. If you see these two results, they are same. When they are same, so let us conclude this session by saying that this is the final answer. Therefore, the value of y of x1 is nothing but y of 20.2 is equal to 5.1